Let me ask you something. If you don't master money, then who's in control? Money is one of those things. It's not everything, but without it, we find ourselves limited, restricted in ways that impact nearly every area of our life. Now, imagine if you could take charge, create a life of wealth and abundance that's beyond just paying bills and making ends meet. What if the beliefs you hold about money are actually holding you back? That's what we're here to explore today. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see money and abundance through a completely new lens, one that empowers you to create true prosperity. Hello, I'm Bob Randklev, transformation life coach, and I've had the privilege of working with hundreds of clients around the world on their journeys to abundance and personal empowerment. I know that each one of you has an untapped potential that can transform your life beyond what you currently believe is possible. In our 6-month transformational program, I'll guide you through a process that uncovers the hidden barriers holding you back. Imagine your life 6 months from now fully aligned with abundance, living with freedom, confidence, and fulfillment. This isn't just about making money, it's about mastering the game of life. If that resonates with you, I'd love to offer you a chance to see if we're a good fit. Book a free discovery call with me at gettinganswers.com/15, and let's discuss how we can help you start this transformative journey to wealth and abundance. All right, let's get to the heart of the matter. What are your core beliefs about money? Chances are, a lot of them were formed during childhood and haven't been questioned since. Many of us grew up hearing phrases like money doesn't grow on trees or money is the root of all evil. But do these beliefs serve you now, or are they holding you back? This is what I call the financial belief audit. Take a few moments and list out your beliefs about money. Is money hard to come by? Do you believe that financial success means giving up your free time or sacrificing your happiness? Once you have all these written down, we'll be ready to go deeper. Take a moment, pause the video, and write those down. Now that you've identified some of those deep-rooted beliefs, it's time to question them. For each belief, ask yourself, why do I believe that? Is it something your family passed down? Is it based on a specific experience you had? Or is it just something you've assumed as truth without ever questioning it? Once you understand the root, challenge it. Let's say you've been telling yourself money is scarce. Is that really true? Or do you see others around you creating wealth? Recognize the instances where you've seen abundance or even experienced it yourself. This process of questioning and reframing is powerful. It allows you to replace those limiting beliefs with ones that support your growth. For example, instead of money is scarce, you could start telling yourself, money is abundant and accessible to me. You're reshaping your reality simply by changing the narrative. The beliefs you hold on to shape your actions, and those actions ultimately determine your results. So if you're holding on to beliefs that limit your potential, it's like trying to drive with the brakes on. Once you release those limiting beliefs, you're free yourself to create abundance without self-imposed restrictions. Here's something important to understand. Money is a magnifier. It doesn't change who you are. It simply amplifies what's already within you. If you're a generous person, having more money will make you more generous. If you're cautious, it might make you even more cautious. Think of money as a tool. It gives you options that can elevate your life and expand your impact. Imagine being able to send your kids to the best schools, take care of loved ones, or give back to causes you're passionate about. Money, when used with purpose, becomes a powerful force for good. This perspective is crucial because it reminds us that wealth isn't just about accumulation, it's about what you can do with it and the doors it opens for you and those around you. Now that you've identified your beliefs and begun reframing them, let's put things into practice. Building an abundance mindset requires consistency, just like building muscles. Here are a few powerful exercises you can start with today. First, start by affirming new beliefs daily. Write down empowering statements like, I am worthy of wealth, or money flows easily to me. Repeating these regularly helps to reinforce your new mindset. Next, practice gratitude for what you have right now. When you appreciate what you have, it signals to your mind that you already live in abundance, which naturally attracts more. Lastly, visualize your financial goals vividly. Imagine your ideal financial life, the places you'll go, the things you'll experience, the people you'll help. The more detailed, the better. This exercise trains your mind to see abundance as your reality, making it easier to turn those visions into tangible results. Now imagine yourself living a life where financial stress is no longer a constant worry, where you have the freedom to make choices aligned with your true passions. By shifting your mindset and mastering your relationship with money, you're setting yourself on a path towards lasting abundance. And remember, if you're serious about transforming your life and mastering your finances, I'm here to help. As I mentioned earlier, I work with clients worldwide through a 6-month program designed to unlock your full potential. Together, we'll dive deep into strategies and mindsets that have helped hundreds of clients achieve financial freedom and fulfillment. Take the next step, book a free discovery call at gettinganswers.com/15 to see how we can support your journey towards wealth and abundance. And of course, if you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone you think would benefit from mastering their relationship with money. Leave a comment below with your biggest money belief or how you're planning to change it. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, abundance is within your reach. Start taking those steps today and watch the changes unfold.